Joey, where's your peas? Where's your peas? Peas, please. Yeah, those are peas. Look at this mess. Love your peas. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Yeah, that's the spinach. You want to try some of that now? You could use your fork. Mommy gave you your fork. No? Here, look. Here's your fork. What do you think? What do you think? You like the spinach? Yeah, you like it.